Hi, Dan at surplusstore.co.uk here, and today we're out at Dog Tag Airsoft. We figured it was a great place to test these. The Zoxna, I still have no idea if I'm pronouncing that correctly, is the only BB shell grenade able to be fitted to a standard 20mm pistol wrist rail and not look insane. This is a 40 round capacity BB shower grenade, which according to the manufacturer is capable of putting out 0.2 gram BBs at 150 to 190 feet per second. Unfortunately, we don't have the capabilities to test that at this time, but it's all about range and spread with these things. So let me introduce you to Steve and Aaron. They are standing at the far reaches of the grenade spread, as you can see. But a step or two to either side and nobody gets hit. Now, it doesn't take a little bit of bargaining to make these videos sometimes, but on the whole, we think they're worth it. Is this an airsoft game changer? Probably not, but it is great fun. It's in stock now at Crawley Surplus Store and www.surplusstore.co.uk. Subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Thanks for watching and see you next time.